This is where my family property is. This is my uncle. I think I have an uncle senior property, and yeah, as you see, you have a lot of coconut trees, a lot of banana trees, a lot of bamboo, Jamaican bamboo. So I'm starting out on my adventure today. So today I will be planting cucumbers. Let me take out the other stuff. Cucumbers, callaloo, cabbage, pink cabbage, and corn. It's not the right time to plant corn, but I'm gonna try anyway. And pop chow. And I want to thank Donnelly, my son godmother, and a young lady that always been supported me. I went to her house over the weekend for Father's Day and had a lovely time. Went to St. Elizabeth for the first time. And what is this? Chocho. So I'm gonna plant my first chocho tree. So I start preparing the land. So I'm gonna see how far I can go with it, and then I plant out the seeds today. I don't even know when is the best time to plant seeds, but I'm gonna plant it in Jesus' name. So this is my first of many videos. So thanks be to God. And you can see I was creating my walk space to go up. It's gonna be a challenge because instead of running in the morning, this is going to be my morning exercise. Coming down to the farm that I used to come with my uncle senior and see how much I can plant, and to God be the glory, great things he has done. Don't know I'm going to bring